Hello, I'm Evan with Woo Ninjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to set up and use Affiliate WP Stripe payout integration. Before getting started, make sure you have Affiliate WP is installed and activated and a Stripe standard account for the site admin. Next, install and activate the Affiliate WP Stripe payout add-on. To do this, go to the plugin dashboard, select Add Plugin, and click on Upload Plugin, and finally install and activate the plugin. Once active, a new submenu called Stripe Payout Settings will appear under Affiliates in your WordPress dashboard. Now, let's integrate Stripe. Navigate to Affiliates, Stripe Payout Settings, Stripe Integration Settings. Choose your API access mode, either test data or live data. Make sure the keys you enter match the environment. Enter your Stripe account ID, found at the bottom of your Stripe profile page, then copy the ID and paste into your Stripe account ID. In Enable Cross-Border Payouts, choose Yes. Copy your publishable key and secret key from Stripe under Developers, located on the bottom left of your page. Next, click on API Keys, look for the publishable key ID, click to copy and paste it. Do the same for secret key. Next, configure Connect settings. To do this, copy your live client ID from Stripe under Settings. Click on Connect, then Onboarding Options, and then go to OAuth and copy Test Client ID. Go back to Affiliate WP Stripe Payout Settings and paste it into the plugin. Finally, set up webhooks. First of all, create an account webhook. To do this, you'll have to go to the Settings Connect page, and under Developers on the bottom left, click on Webhooks, then click on Add Destination, and then you can create an account with events like transfer.created, transfer.reversed, and finally transfer.updated. Create an event destination by copying the webhook URL on the Affiliate WP Stripe Payout Settings and pasting it in the endpoint URL section, and then finally click on Create Destination. To create application webhooks, go to the Create Event destination and create events like account.application.authorized, account.external, account.updated, account.application.deauthorized, and payout.failed. After that is done, click on Continue, choose Webhook Endpoint, and enter your endpoint URL by copying the webhook URLs from the plugin settings and paste them into Stripe, and click on Create Destination. Then copy the signing secret from Stripe back into the plugin. Scroll back up and finally click on Save Settings. Affiliate WP Stripe Payouts supports both scheduled and manual payouts. For scheduled payouts, navigate to Scheduled Payout Settings, add new schedule, fill in the details. For the title section, we could write Final Schedule. For final execution time, select 1 week later. For days, you could type in 5 hours, 7 minutes 48, and seconds 4. Then select the affiliates you want to choose, and then click on Save Settings. Only active schedules will run automatically, sending transfers and email notifications. For manual payouts, navigate to Affiliates, Referrals. If the affiliate is active, their Stripe account is connected, and the referral is unpaid, you'll see a Stripe Payout option. Select the Stripe Payout option and then click on Send Payout. To pay multiple referrals at once, select them and choose Stripe Bulk Payouts from the drop-down and click on Apply. In the Email Settings tab, you can enable notifications for both admins and affiliates. Admin notifications include Affiliate Stripe is connected or disconnected, Transfer failed, Payout failed. Affiliate notifications include Stripe is connected or disconnected, transfer created or failed, payout paid or failed. Each template can be customized using the WordPress editor and available shortcodes. On the front end, affiliates will see a new Stripe Payouts tab in their affiliate area once the Connect settings are complete. Here's how it works. The affiliate clicks Connect with Stripe. Depending on your settings, they can connect a standard or express account. Stripe opens a secure onboarding form where the affiliate logs in or creates an account. After approval, they're redirected back to your site, and their connection status shows as connected. From now on, payouts, whether scheduled or manual, will be sent directly to their Stripe account, and they'll receive email notifications. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.